Hi friends, welcome back to my channel with yet another informative video, and this one has been one of my most requested videos since I filmed my last hair care video, which I will link in the description box below. Now before we start today's video, I wanted to mention that most of the hair care brands that I use remain consistent, but I'm always exploring and researching the latest in technology when it comes to beauty and hair care. I'm specifically impressed with products that combine both technology without the toxins, parabens, and fragrances. And in today's video, I'm going to be divulging all the details about a particular brand. Now, the technology that this brand incorporates is just not about hair care, it's about hair repair. And moreover, this brand is free of parabens, sulfates, phthalates, synthetic colors, dyes, it's gluten-free and it's cruelty-free. So if you like these kind of videos, remember to subscribe to the channel and like the video so you don't miss on any of my future uploads. Now before we begin today's video, I wanted to say this out loud that this video is not sponsored and this is an honest review based on my experience with this brand after having used this for over 6 months, and I have found myself repurchasing this over and over again. Now the brand that we are going to be discussing is Virtue by Virtue Labs. Now basically the philosophy and the technology behind this brand is based on the fact that when our hair is damaged, it causes areas of damage in the keratin protein that makes up the hair. And most of the keratin that we find in other hair care products is called hydrolyzed keratin, which is essentially an animal byproduct. Yeah. And this type of keratin is so overly processed that by the time it is bottled, the keratin is too broken to fill in the damage in our hair. And Virtue has a patented protein which is called the alpha keratin 60Ku, which is present in all of their products. Now, what's unique about this formula as compared to the others is that this keratin is human derived and it has the ability to weave the keratin strands back together and thereby repair hair damage. Studies show a 67% reduction in frizz, a 95% split end reparation, a 22% increase in thickness, a 138% increase in color vibrancy. Now, for today's video, I decided not to blow dry my hair because I wanted to show you how my air dried hair is just by using this hair care brand. Yes, I have used some of their styling products, which I will discuss in a moment. So now let's discuss which products from this range are my favorite and why. Now, of course, we all have different hair types, and I happen to have really frizzy hair that really needs to be tamed and managed consistently, or it's just a big mess. So coming to their shampoo and conditioner. Now I prefer their smooth shampoo and conditioner, and I got their oversized bottles. Like, I really go through this so fast. Now what this does is that it repairs the rough cuticles and it also reduces the friction between each strand, thereby tackling the frizz at the source. It will also not wear your hair down like most other conditioners do, but at the same time it will leave your hair really smooth and frizz-free. Now the next product from this range that I really love is their Purifying Shampoo. Now I use a Purifying Shampoo at least once a week, and honestly I've been on the hunt for a really good quality Purifying Shampoo for my hair type, and I think I have finally found my match. Now this Purifying Shampoo is basically a clarifying shampoo that removes excess oil, product residue, pollution, smoke, and it basically detoxifies the hair and scalp, and it leaves both the hair and the scalp feeling so fresh and renewed and squeaky clean, as well as healthy in a way that you'll only be able to understand what I'm saying once you use it. Now coming to their Refresh range. The Refresh range has the dry shampoo, which I absolutely adore. Now, all of us need a dry shampoo in our arsenal, as it is indispensable when it comes to an instant pick-me-up for the hair. Now, this particular dry shampoo is lightweight, it's invisible, it removes build-up, oil, odor, and it revives the hair with each use without leaving any kind of white cast residue. And this formula will truly cleanse the hair while enhancing the scalp health. So it's a two-in-one formula. So use this whenever you want to hit that refresh for your hair. You will not regret this. Absolutely brilliant. Now, what really makes the Virtue hair care products stand out from the other brands in particular are their treatment products. And like I said, I use all of their treatment products almost every day, whether I wash my hair or I don't. And I will mention and explain which particular treatment products of theirs I have used and which ones are my favorite. And like I said, their treatment products are just next level. I have not found a brand which has this kind of technology. Now, if you happen to suffer from split ends, I would definitely steer you towards their split end serum. Now, this is not exactly a serum, but it's like a lightweight cream. And what it'll do is it'll seal, smooth, and repair your broken ends. It'll protect and nourish the hair from future damage. And in that sense, I think it's for all hair types, because I think most hair types do suffer from split ends from time to time. So it's really a very good product if you happen to suffer from split ends. And like I said, it is meant for all hair types. Now, the next one is called the Unfrizz cream. This is basically your leave-in treatment cream that conditions and smooths hair. It'll eliminate frizz, it'll block humidity, it'll keep the hair sleek, shiny, and soft. And I think you would really want to invest in this particular product if your hair is especially frizzy, curly, wavy, or thick, just like mine. And now I wanted to talk about a product which I think is their 5-star product in this entire range. And it's obviously one of my favorites. And if I had to just pick one product from this entire range, or if I was strapped for cash, or I just wanted to have a basic experience of the Virtue range without having to invest in everything, I would go in for their healing oil. This one is brilliant, guys. Now, why I'm saying so? Because this product is created for all hair types in mind. And it's basically like a multitasker, which means it'll deliver shine, it'll deliver softness, and it basically moisturizes the hair, something that you would expect from any hair oil, except this hair oil is formulated with clear oils. It is never yellow, it glides on light, and it gives you that glossy finish which will not alter your color or wear your hair down. It'll never feel sticky, oily, or greasy. This formula is absolutely brilliant to achieve that healthy, smooth, glossy hair at all times. Now, we all love hair masks, don't we? And I think no hair care range is complete without a hair mask. Now, their restorative treatment mask is a perfect hair mask because it deeply hydrates and it will repair the hair without weighing the hair down. And the lightweight formula works on all hair types. It adds shine, moisture, and it smoothens the hair in just under 3 minutes. Yes, you heard me right. And I use this at least once a week, and I don't think I can do without this mask ever. Now coming to their styling products. Now, all of their styling products are really high quality, and thus far I have tried 2 of their products in this particular category. Now, the first one is their Texturizing spray. Now, this Texturizing spray is extremely lightweight. It's basically like a texturizing mist and a styling mist that instantly adds definition, texture. Now, what this essentially will do is it will deliver that healthy, lustrous shine while infusing the hair with a buildable texture. This also protects your hair against UV damage without being sticky at all. Absolutely love this product. It's just next level. Then comes their moisture defining whip. So basically this product I would recommend if your hair is wavy or curly. Why? Because it delivers a definition for textured hair while also adding shine. And the formula comes out like a luxurious mousse, but it'll instantly absorb into the hair. It almost like vanishes into your strands, almost magically. Now I would definitely use all these products, especially if you're having a bad hair day. And of course, we all have different hair types, and these are the products that I use for my particular hair type. And if you're really interested in buying in any of these products, I would definitely recommend that you go to their website and take their hair diagnostic test, which is there on their website, and they will be able to recommend products which is very specific to your concerns and your hair type. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed filming it. And let me know in the comments below if you have tried any of the products from the Virtue brand, or if you have a favorite hair care brand that you love. I would love to hear your feedback and experiences as well. Alright guys, I hope you have a wonderful day wherever you are in the world. Stay safe, and I will see you very, very soon in my next video coming up next week. Bye guys.